friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, sometimes Mondays when we start our trading at 9:15, we'll be surprised to see there is no price change in the shares. Immediately we'll call our friends and ask them why the prices are not moving. So they will be telling us, today is a holiday, man. Why the market will move? My dear friends, in the market, when we are trading in the futures and options, we should know the holidays, especially if at all they are falling on the Fridays and Mondays. We have to be very careful, because when we trade in the options, there is something called as theta decay, which is more prominent in the options trading. So let us today check how to check the holidays list in the NSE website. Friends, now I am opening the nseindia.com, that is www.nseindia.com. So when we click on this, we are able to see home, about, market data and all these stores, right? So we have to click on this about. On the about tab, you can see here about the NSE. On the below, you can see here the holidays. Just click on this holidays, you will find the list of holidays declared by the National Stock Exchange. So in the beginning of the month, before we start the trading, we should be aware which are the holidays of this month. So this was all about the holidays. And my dear friends, if you come down, you can see there are 4 more holidays which are falling on Saturdays and Sundays. Anyways, it doesn't make any difference for us, because the stock markets are working only from Monday to Friday. So in this year 2023, we have got 15 holidays which are falling between Monday to Friday. So this was all about the idea of seeing where the holidays are listed in the NSE website. My dear friends, I would like to show you one more feature in the NSE website, that is delivery percentage to the traded quantity. Friends, whenever we are trading or investing in the stock market in a particular stock, maybe for a 2 days, 3 days or a weekly or a monthly period of time, we have to always look at the delivery percentage of the total traded quantity. Friends, for example, if there are only 1000 shares have been traded in a single day, then we have to always look at how many shares are traded as a intraday trading and how many of the shares are invested for a next day or a week or for a lifetime, right? So where do we find this? This is very important for an investor, because when we invest in the stocks, we should always know that there should be a good delivery percentage for the price to move up. This is the general law which every one of us know. So where do we find this? So again, I am going to www.nseindia.com. So here again we can see home, about, market data, invest, list, trade, regulations, learn. Here we find resources. Just click on this resources. We will find security wise price volume archives. Just click on this, my dear friends. So here we can see symbol. For example, we'll check what is the delivery percentage for each single day from 1st of September to today, that is 13th of September. So I'm clicking on Reliance, symbol Reliance. I can find Reliance Industries Limited here. I clicked on it and I can see here 1 day, 1 week, 1 year means 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year and custom. So I can have a customized filter. I am clicking on it and from 1st of September I have clicked and 13th of September I have taken. Go. Here, my dear friends, we can see that this is the data from 1st of September to 13th of September. We can also see here there are 2 colors that have been used. Low price. Within this trading period of 1st of September to 13th of September, the lowest price of Reliance was 2,401 rupees 65 paisa and the highest price is 2,483 rupees. My dear friends, you can see here what is the high price of the day, low price of the day, closing price, VWAP price, that is volume weighted average price. Means what is the average price at which it was traded on that particular day. And also we can see total traded quantities here. Say for example on 1st of September 2023, we can see 90 lakhs 56,421 shares were traded. In this trade, 27.78% was for the long-term investment. It means long-term may be like swing or positional, whatever it may be, but it was not for a intraday. So we can conclude, my dear friends, out of 100 shares traded, 27.78 was the delivery taken and the remaining was an intraday trading. So this was all about how do we check the percentage of delivery to the traded quantity, which is very, very important for the investors or to the traders, because we all know that there should be a good delivery percentage for the price to move up in the coming days. My dear friends, I hope you like my educational video. In the upcoming days, I'll be coming up with the more informative and educational videos. Till then, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.